Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the Tekkonkinkreet Mitsubishi. And the first thing I need to do in this video is give a shout out to the folks at Hasegawa for what is turning out to be an awesome little kit. I've been very impressed with how all the parts have been fitting together. The instructions have been really good. And even after looking at the part sprues, I didn't really realize just how intricate some of the assemblies were on this. Taking a look at the chassis, that's a really nice, sharp, intricate rear suspension, separate exhaust, got a nicely detailed front suspension with working steering on it. All the parts have fit together nice and tight, just like they're supposed to. And we got some surprising details that you don't even see on more detailed kits. Like we got a separate fuel fill pipe there. Taking a look at the wheels at about 9 o'clock there, they included a valve stem. That's something you never see on a kit. And also, these wheels are 4 pieces. So, painting's an ease. And just everything fell together with no headaches whatsoever. But going back to the paint on this, I'm generally following the instructions as far as the detail work goes. The only thing I changed up was what they recommend as body color orange. I switched over to yellow to match the movie. And I did do some weathering on it. You can see I've rusted up the header pipes there, add a little bit of scorching to the exhaust pipe, and then just some general road grime. So this is supposed to be a used car, but yeah, generally very happy with how all this is coming together. And same for the inside. These interior panels just about snap together. And also I am changing the color from the recommended in the instructions. They have a black interior, which is probably what the movie was trying to suggest. But I did like the dark gray that they had it colored, so I'm going with that instead. This is all Duplicolor Hot Rod Gray primer. The seats and the door panels have been gloss coated to give them more of a vinyl look. And the carpeting, I did add texture like I said I was going to. What I did for that was I sprayed a few really light mist coats of filler primer. And by spraying from a distance, that built up just enough texture so that it doesn't look like the slick floor that we started with. On the door panels there, everything that was suggested as being in chrome, I painted black. Same for the center console there. I figured that was a nice compromise to still keep some interest in it, while matching the movie colors a little more closely. And yeah, so again, very, very happy with how Hasegawa had this kit come together. At this point, I've got the dashboard drying, which is the one thing that I'm really not thrilled by. They put a split right across the top of the dash pad so that they were able to fully detail the face and put the speaker grill and defroster vents in it. It's a nice thought, but it's kind of a pain in the neck having a seam right there. So that's drying right now, but hopefully that'll be ready to go soon. And at that point, all I'll have left is a couple of little details like the shifter and handbrake, and it's onto the body. So this has been a nice project, a nice break from the heavy, labor-intensive Terminator pickup last time. So, if you're interested in the Mitsubishi Colt Galant GTO, this is definitely a kit to pick up. I highly recommend trying it. So that's it for now. Check back next week for an update with the body, and thanks for watching.